Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to unfriend people fast in Roblox. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open your web browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar and press enter. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, what you want to type is Roblox friend removal and press enter. Look for the extension titled Roblox friend removal button with the icon of two outlines of people in red. Click on the extension you found in the search results. On the extensions page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will then appear confirming the installation. Just click on Add Extension. Once the extension is added, just go to Roblox website, refresh the Roblox page to ensure that the extension is activated. Log into your Roblox account if you're not already logged in. And then, click on the Friends option on the left-hand side to access your friends list. For each friend you want to unfriend, you'll notice a small icon in the top right corner of their profile picture. Click the icon for the friend you want to unfriend. When you click the icon, a prompt will then appear asking you to confirm the unfriending action. Just click yes if you were sure to unfriend the person. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now unfriend people fast in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.